let's test out the new Gen 6 Glock 19. Ooh, let's try out the Gen 6 Glock 17 now. A little bit bigger. Ooh.
Talked to all the employees that you guys have seen shoot. Everybody likes the gun. It has a lot of features on it that Glock probably should have had on their guns a long time ago. Extended beaver tail, new optics mounting system, more of a flare magazine well, really nice texturing, the finger shelf, the deeper slide serrations.
They've changed that grip profile, rounded it out, and given it that new texture, along with that beaver tail. It gives you an excellent grip profile. This gun basically gives you all of the features that you've been asking for. Definite step up from Glock, and I appreciate them listening to the consumer.